Hello guys, welcome back to IT Scholar. Today we will learn to use the row formula. But before we head towards our lesson, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Let's begin. As we all know that data present in the vertical way is called a row, and through row formula we will be able to know the location of the data row-wise. This is a random data over here which shows that this data is present on different rows. You can see easily that on which number of row is each data present. But what if there are hundreds of rows and cells the data is spread on? Like if we press Ctrl down arrow key, you can see that we are at the end of the Excel sheet, and you may see the number of rows we are currently on. So the row formula helps in such cases. We will learn how the formula works. We will find the location of each company row-wise by typing the formula over here is equal to sign, row, bracket open. This option is asking for reference, which means the data we need to select by mouse and see on which the row data is present. Like I select the ABC over here and bracket over. Enter. The answer is 3 because ABC is present on the row number 3. It's simple, right? Let's try again by taking another data DEF is equal to sign, row, bracket open, select DEF, bracket close, enter. The answer is 4 because this data is present on row number 4. Let's try by hovering the mouse pointer on the corner of this data cell. Then drag the pointer when black plus symbol occurs. When the black plus appears, double click and we can see that the location of all the companies is available here. I hope everything is understood. If there's any query, you may ask in the comment section down below. And if you understand everything, then do hit the like button, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Till then, take care.